Meghalaya UP Primary School Teachers Association haka 5th State Conference kabalapan lang umulong West Hills District haka santre guna pra arja arpulai kala Dawa no Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jylla urakam sangma ban Pynrung deficit no ya raspa sau tli ki Adhoc UP Primary School ki badan po ka Jylla. Menteri uladon lang haka ni gajeng kenduk lang ki noi kai kumukong san haka ba ki noi lam ka association kila Dawa ru ban penkieu ki tulop jongki ban pen yo iki gran ba pher ban penjalan karta song than nalor ba kila pen sngoru iki jing halor ka jing pentrei kam salon sar ya ke emtan haki school Adhoc nakalyang menteri haba ajing kran ulong ba haka tenat ki don bon jat ki tenat bat ki noi kai ru ki don ki noi kai Adhoc ki deficit ki non-government, ki government bat ki wei. Kumta kenang ban wanra ek jing syakri ban lat nak kenrum kenram, ke Sorkar kalada ban tau da ke State Education Commission nak banta ban wat bania hak bayade bat ke Puli Putih hapo ka Jylla. Ula ong baka ke jing ajing mod bami nak State Education Commission an pa syak Sorkar Jylla nak banta ban pej bat ban yamir jing mod shwa ban syeme karai ke biang tam hak bayade ban penpha penmiat ya ka Puli Putih. Nalor kong san ki bala ajing kran ki kentop yo ba HM sang pliang advisor ke tenat puli ke kong san tam Mary Shilla ke MLA su tengah saipung upright star cermang MDC Joy Not pat kiwei.
In the education department, 1,000 channels. We have about 58,000 teachers in the state. I think Meghalaya is the only state has the highest proportion of schools and the teachers in the country. And in Northeast, Meghalaya is the highest number of teachers they're having in terms of population. We are even greater more than the state like Assam in terms of population percentage. The expenditure budget of the government of Meghalaya is highest for the education sector. But 85 to 90% of the budget is only goes to the salary of the teachers from all categories. There are many challenges. We have, I don't know, can it count also, right? The Adhoc, the the deficit, the non-government, the so-called non-government, the government, all the categories of the schools that we have. We have challenges, disparity of the salary, school run, like it is very difficult to, like there are many colleges, and schools that government support, but their asset and the land and the building doesn't belong to the government. There are many schools run by the churches and the private institutions, completely private. There are many schools being run by the churches and missionary and some agencies, but we are supporting to all these schools. The appointment of the adult teachers are being appointed by the managing committee, the school owner, so to say. There are debate is going on whether this adult teacher is a government teacher or not. Somebody says any teachers who draw the salary from the government, it's amount to be a government teacher. But in the court of law, it's very difficult to debate. Whether the government, they're drawing the salary from the government. But the asset, the administration, is not with the hands of the government. There are many challenges. Therefore, knowing of all the challenges, it is difficult to point it out. If we address the issue of the Adhoc Teachers Association, there is another teacher association called non-government association. There is a deficit association, government association. There are many associations, right? Therefore, to understand more, the government has set up for the first time to do the in-depth study, about the issues and the problems and to give us the recommendation. Government has set up the State Education Commission. They are on the process. We are waiting for the recommendations of the State Education Commission that include your problem too. But we are waiting for the recommendation of the Education Commission. What kind of suggestion, what kind of recommendation they will be giving to the government? We will study, we will discuss, and we will decide. Because government is serious. Government is serious. Therefore, to bring the better systematic recommendation, we have constituted this commission. Commission consists of experts of the different fields, especially the educationists of the within the state, who are well acquainted with the problems and with the issues. But however, I want to assure you that we are part of the family, and I wish, as our honorable advisor has already stated, when we see our teachers on the street, it does not sound good. It does not sound good. Yes, there is a problem. There will be a problem. But there is always a way forward. Therefore, I would like to assure you today, whatever the possible that we can, government is trying and will try our best to address the problems of the teacher. Even if that has been done in the past, and is being doing, and will be doing in the days to come too. But let us follow the responsibility together, how this problem can be addressed.